State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Okay. Given first example, sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. Is it true? Let's check. If a equal to, let a equal to 30 degrees, let a equal to 30 degrees and b equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Sin a plus b, sin a equal to 30 degrees, b equal to 60 degrees, which is equal to sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Sin 30 plus 60, sin 90 degrees, sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay. Sin 90 value is 1. Here root 3 plus 1 by 2. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Okay. So sin A plus B not equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay. So this is false statement. Okay. Next, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Okay. Sin values. Sin 0, sin 0 degrees, 0, sin 30 degrees, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees, 1 by root 2. Next, sin 60 degrees, root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees. Value is 1. Here see, value is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay. These values are increasing. So this is true. Next question. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Is it correct? Let's check. Cos 0 degrees. Cos 0, 1. Cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. Here value is decreasing. Okay. Cos 45 degrees, 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. Cos 90 degrees, 0. Here cos 0 degrees 1. Theta increases. Cos 90 degrees value 0. Okay. So cos theta decreases. Is it false? It is the false statement. Okay. The value of the cos theta increases as theta increases is wrong. Okay. This is the false statement. Next example. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Is it true? No. Only theta equal to 45 degrees. Sin theta equal to cos theta. Okay. Sin 45 degrees equal to cos 45 degrees. Okay. See. Cos 0 degrees value 1. Sin 0, 0. Okay. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. So this is false statement. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degrees. Cot A. Cot 0 degrees, which is equal to cos 0 degrees by sin 0 degrees. Cos 0 value 1. Sin 0, 0. In denominator we have 0. So cot 0 equal to this value is not defined. Okay. So this is true. Next question. If tan a plus b equal to root 3. Here given tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Here given condition 0 degrees less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and here a greater than b. Find a and b values. Okay, given tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Here given conditions, a plus b should be greater than 0 and should be less than or equal to 90 degrees and a greater than b. Okay, tan a plus b equal to root 3. Where we get root 3 in tan values? Tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. Here tan a plus b equal to tan 60 degrees. Then a plus b equal to 60 degrees. Okay. This is equation 1. Tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. Where we get 1 by root 3 in tan values? Tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Tan a minus b equal to tan 30 degrees. Then a minus b equal to 30 degrees. This is equation 2. Okay. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. A minus b equal to 30 degrees. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. b we get cancel. Add 1 plus 2. Adding 1 plus 2. 2a equal to 90 degrees. A equal to 90 by 2. 45 degrees. Okay, here we get a value 45 and we have to find b value. A plus b equal to 60 degrees. A 45 degrees. B equal to 60 minus 45. How much? 15 degrees. Okay. So A value we get 45 and B value 15 degrees. Okay.